This one's called Mother Nature, Gone Berserk. Subduction zone's all locked up, it's tighter than a drum. It's really gonna rock and roll, it's really gonna hum. Subduction zone's all pumped up, it's really gonna churn. It's in a knot, it's really hot, it's really gonna burn. Economy in Puget Sound has seen the end of boom. Looking thin, feeling bad, can't see the coming doom. All you Puget people are really in a snooze. Mother Nature's gonna blow, you're really gonna lose. Avalanche debris ripping through your yard. Mother Nature gone berserk is gonna hit you hard. Subduction zone's all pumped up, it's wound up like a spring. It's really gonna come unglued, the earth is gonna ring. Subduction zone's all jumped up, it's higher than a kite. It's in a knot, it's really hot, it's really gonna bite. Happy talking Puget Sound ain't really where it's at. Sitting round talking trash, can't see beyond the fat. All you Puget people are ignoring all the clues. Mother Nature's gonna blow, you're really gonna lose. 313 years of energetic strain. It'll hit you like a wall, it'll roll you like a train. When the thrust breaks loose, it'll cause you so much pain. And when it finally blows, it'll flush you down the drain. Walla muck and rock, screaming down the chute. 50-mile-per-hour clock, you'll really be kaput. Volcano bulges bunched up, it's looking like to blow. It's really gonna let loose, it's really gonna flow. Volcano blow is coming, it's really gonna churn. It's in a knot, it's really hot, it's really gonna burn. Fantasy in Puget Sound is gonna end real soon. Looking thin, feeling scared, screaming like a loon. All you Puget people don't really get the news. Mother Nature's gonna blow, you're really gonna lose. Pyroclastic flow, cooking you alive. Magmatic nightmare will end your shuck and jive. Supersonic blast blowing through your town will take you by complete surprise, will blow your business down. Walla muck and rock, screaming down the chute.